Channel. So today we're going to be making homemade roast potatoes. So I'm boiling my potatoes. I'm only going to boil these half cooked, and we're going to need some pepper, salt and some oil, but I'm using sunflower oil. So once these have half cooked, we're going to take them off the heat. So now half cooked, so with a fork I'm going to dip in the oil and then put them on a baking tray. So we just do this with all of them, making sure they're properly dipped. This is going to help them to be nice and crispy. Okay, these are now done. Now we're just going to season them with some salt, and some pepper, now with a spoon I'm just going to give them a mix. And with my remaining oil, don't need to use all of it, just going to drizzle some more oil on top. This is going to ensure these roast potatoes are nice and crispy. So we're going to pop these in the oven on a gas mark 6 to 7. We're going to cook these for 30 to 45 minutes until they're golden brown. Okay, so these are now out of the oven. Look how lovely and crispy they look.
Here you go. I'm done.
So here we go, our finished homemade roast potatoes. Hope you guys give it a try. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And thanks guys for watching.